Hey everyone, welcome back to Career Unlock, the spot where we help you figure out what you really want to do and not what everyone else wants for you. Today, we're talking about something huge, your career. Yep, that thing you'll spend a big part of your life doing, so it better be worth it. Choosing a career can feel like picking a path in a massive forest. You don't want to get lost, and you definitely don't want to follow someone else's trail. Here's the truth. Your career isn't just about money or prestige. It affects your mental well-being, confidence, and overall life satisfaction. So it pays to take it seriously and take your time. Let's start with step 1. Know yourself. This is the foundation of a happy career. What are you good at? What do you love doing, even when no one is watching? Are you a creative thinker, a problem solver, a tech geek, or someone who loves helping people? Understanding yourself is the first step to choosing a career that will actually make you happy and fulfilled. Step 2. Explore your options. Don't just think about popular careers like doctor, engineer, or lawyer. Look at emerging careers in tech, digital media, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. Even jobs you've never heard of can become something amazing if they match your skills and passions. Talk to people already in the field, watch videos, do internships if you can. Every experience gives you a better idea of what to expect. Step 3. Ignore the pressure. Family, friends, and social media might push you toward a career just because it sounds cool or safe. Don't do it. A career chosen under pressure can lead to stress, unhappiness, and burnout. Your career should be your decision, not theirs. When you pick a career because it's right for you, you're investing in long-term satisfaction and mental health. You'll be more motivated and less stressed. Step 4. Plan your path. Once you have a sense of your strengths and interests, map out the steps to get there. This includes school subjects, certifications, internships, or skills you'll need. Think of it as building your own ladder. But remember, a career path isn't a straight line. It can zigzag, and that's totally fine. So, to wrap up, your career is more than a job. It's part of your life story. Know yourself, explore options, ignore outside pressure, and plan your path. Choosing wisely now can make a huge difference for your happiness and confidence. Remember, your career is yours to unlock. Don't let anyone else hold the key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends who are stressing over what to do next.